Today's video explores Typora and MarkText, two powerful Markdown editors that can enhance your writing experience. Choosing the right one can streamline your workflow without overwhelming you with unnecessary features. Typora and MarkText are both popular Markdown editors, each offering unique features. The core difference lies in Typora's seamless live preview and MarkText's focus on simplicity and open source accessibility. Typora is a minimalist Markdown editor that provides a distraction-free writing environment. It features a live preview mode, allowing users to see their formatted text as they write, enhancing the editing experience. Typora supports a variety of Markdown syntax and includes features like tables, footnotes, and custom themes. One of its strengths is the seamless integration of text and formatting, which eliminates the need for a separate preview window. However, Typora is not open source and may require a one-time purchase for continued use. Ideal for writers who favor a clean interface and real-time feedback, Typora is perfect for those who want to focus solely on their content. MarkText is an open source Markdown editor designed for simplicity and ease of use. It offers a clean interface that supports both a split view for editing and previewing. Users can easily format text using standard Markdown syntax, making it accessible for beginners and experienced users alike. MarkText includes features like customizable themes, a focus mode for distraction-free writing, and the ability to export documents in various formats. While it lacks some advanced features found in Typora, its open source nature allows for community contributions and enhancements. MarkText is ideal for those who value simplicity and a straightforward writing experience without the need for complex tools. When comparing Typora and MarkText, consider your writing needs. Typora excels with its live preview and rich formatting options, making it suitable for users who want an immersive writing experience. However, it comes with a cost and is not open source. In contrast, MarkText offers a straightforward interface and is free to use, appealing to those who prefer simplicity and flexibility. If you prioritize advanced features and real-time feedback, Typora may be the better choice. But if you value an open source solution that is easy to use, MarkText is a strong contender. If you seek a robust Markdown editor with a live preview feature, Typora is the ideal choice for you. For those who appreciate simplicity and an open source platform, MarkText is highly recommended. Both editors have their strengths, so choose based on your specific writing needs. Thank you for watching and happy writing!